Hi there, students. To reckon. Okay, to reckon says your opinion. This is very commonly used and it's really quite informal. To reckon, to give your opinion. So I reckon it's going to rain. Who do you reckon's going to win the match? What do you reckon about this? They reckon the event was a failure. I reckon we're going to be late. So this is to have an opinion, to conclude by weighing up the pros and cons. You use it to give your opinion or to ask somebody's opinion. What do you reckon? Native speakers, Brits at least, are using this the whole time. They use it much more commonly than the verb think. What do you think? What do you reckon? But notice, it's informal. It's not for a formal writing. To reckon also means, but in the same way, to calculate, to figure. By my reckoning, that's a noun, this is going to cost £1,000. Ready reckoning, using approximate data. Well, if the first 100 miles have taken us 2 hours, then the whole journey is going to take us 6 hours because it's 300 miles. Ready reckoning, yeah? Guessing an approximate answer, a ballpark figure, by using approximate data. Follow the setting sun and you're going west. That's ready reckoning. Okay? So to estimate, well, that's about a metre and that's about a metre and that's about 2 metres. So the volume's about 2 cubic metres. Okay, we have a couple of phrasal verbs with this as well. To reckon, to settle an account, but it's more common to reckon up. To work out the final amount, like to tally up, to balance the debits and credits. So look, you pay for everything today and we'll reckon up at the end of the day. Yeah, we'll equalise it again, to settle accounts. I've got to reckon up at the hardware store, at the ironmonger's. Okay, so to reckon on, to expect. You can reckon on a lot of traffic if you leave now. To reckon with, you're going to have to reckon with, to deal with. You're going to have to anticipate lots of traffic. You're going to have to reckon on a lot of resistance. Expect, anticipate. And then you'll have to reckon with that resistance. You're going to have to deal with it and find a solution. You could say somebody is, or something is to be reckoned with. It's of considerable importance. Liverpool are a team to be reckoned with. Yeah? They are difficult to beat. They are powerful and important. Okay, so to reckon. I reckon. I think. It's my opinion. Or to calculate. To reckon up. To settle debts. To settle an account. To tally up, if you like. To reckon on. You're going to have to reckon on this happening. Expect. To reckon with. To deal with. Yeah? And then somebody to be reckoned with or something to be reckoned with. A powerful force that's going to be difficult to reckon with. Okay, the origin of this word comes from Proto-Germanic. There's a word rekanoa, which means to count and to explain. But this word reckon in nearly all of the senses I've given you, it's informal. It's great for an informal conversation in the pub, but in something semi-formal or something formal, writings particularly, I think my opinion is I calculate, I figure to settle up an account, to expect, to deal with, to anticipate. Okay? So, to reckon. It's a good word to use in your speaking. So, enough. If you reckon it was a good video, give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To reckon. So, what do you reckon to the video?